Welcome to the Artispreneur Academy. In this course, you will learn how to register an EIN and empower your art as a real business. First, what is an EIN? An employer identification number is a unique number issued by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. Think of it like a social security number, but for your business. Your SSN identifies you. Your EIN identifies your company. So why do artists need one? Three big reasons. Business legitimacy, your creative work becomes a formal business. Financial autonomy, you manage income and royalties under a business name. And legal protection, a foundation for protecting your work and your assets. Here is what an EIN unlocks. Business bank accounts, most banks require one. Licenses and permits from your state. Contracts, licensing deals, and sponsorships. And royalty collection. Many platforms require an EIN to pay you. Applying is simple, and it is free. Visit irs.gov and find the EIN application portal. Select your business structure, provide your business details, then submit. And if you apply online, your EIN is issued immediately. Prefer paper? Form SS4 works too. It just takes a few weeks. The benefits add up fast. You can file business taxes separately from personal taxes. You can claim deductions for equipment, travel, and marketing. And you can access loans, grants, and funding that require a registered business. Quick answers to common questions. Cost? Free through the IRS, so skip the third-party services. Timeline? Online is immediate. Paper takes 4 to 6 weeks. And yes, your EIN is permanent. Even freelancers should get one. Royalty platforms often require it. So after you have your EIN, open a business bank account. Apply for grants and sponsorships, and keep growing your business. Remember, art means business.